Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We put the s go to the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Now I will concentrate on this one. So we need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to 4s. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have for the s dv, we have cos6x ds. The integration of this one, we have v equals to 1 over 6 sine 6x. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v, and we have the integration sine 6x ds. So this one we have 2x over number 3. The integration of sine 6x, we have negative 1 over 6 cosine 6x, and I will put about c. This one multiplied by this one, we have 1 over 9. Now we go back in here. This one we have y. This one that is about this one. That is the end. Thank you for watching.